Today we stream something, but just in a sec, cause I gotta set up first. Um, Meanwhile, I will be showing you my new headphones. Um, I got them. They're they're good enough. They're nice enough. I like them. I also have a new my own this time microphone. Um, it's similar to the old one, but that one was of my friend. Um, Speaking of my friend, speaking of my friend, let me just do something. Meanwhile, they be playing to find the mind. Ah, uh, this isn't even working. Let me just do something, cause okay, never mind. Can I be seen? Let me test this. Let me test this. Let me test this. Uh, yeah, I think I can be seen. Oh, this camera is it's terrible. Huh? Now we start right after I do something. Now we start. Yep. Yeah. Now we play. Where's this game? Uh, let's wait for if players join. Yeah, I can be heard through this thing. Okay, start game. I think. Okay, let's play. Let's go. So yeah, I didn't misprint. In this game, you can parry cars. And the intermission is over. Have fun. Oh, okay, that drove by me. You saw that? You can parry cars in this game. Also, you can do this. And now you cannot go first person, sadly. I think. Uh, okay. Okay. He's dead. How is? Okay. Well, let me just. Next wave. Oh, so you can do this. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. You can blow up cars. Yeah. Uh, I think there's gonna be a boss on this one. Yeah. And now I do something that I might get sued for, but Zawa. I'm joking. Just he's dead anyway, so like, yeah. Okay. Hmm. Maybe let's make a. This should do. Okay. Hmm. Testing, testing. Okay. This is good enough. We're working on this one. This is not important. This is for later. Let's work this. So far, we have oh yeah, I disabled this one. Anyway, this is how the script looks. If you didn't know, I wrote it myself. Yeah, this applies leader stats, and let me show you how it works. So if you go in the game and look here, yeah, you can see here the leader stats. By the way, it's custom for my character. So since in this game I'm the owner, it automatically sets rank to 99.9 million, money to 99.9 million, and so on. Um, now, now, what we can do is actually start modeling the building, the thing. So there are two teams. If you want to see here, what is string value here? There are two teams. Don't look at this bit of code. This just determines if it's me or my singular coworker. Then it automatically sets it to entity because we thought it would be funny. Anyway, here it sets local. So in the script, team value equals math.random 1 to 10. Here it randomly selects numbers from 1 to 10, including 1 and 10. Did I say 10? I meant 100. What the Okay. Basically, it's a 100% thing. If this, then staff. Entities are less common than staff. Thus, and this parents, this all to leader stats, which is in here. It's located in here. Let me show you. Here, and leader stats. Here, if we tweak this to, I don't know, p, of course it's a int value, so it's not gonna work. But if we, I don't know, this, you see, but I like my nines. Also, we can do that. Let me just 999. Yeah, you get it. I think it broke. Anyway, oh yeah, like you can just do. Oh yeah, it's in caps lock. Let me just spam my caps lock. Finally, I think I think it stop. Yeah, yeah, I can write normally now. Yeah. Anyway, um, so we will write some scripts and make a few parts of the map. Classic, classic brick. Okay, this should be easy. This should should be somewhere. Um, Here it is. You sneaky little blocky rascal. Anyway, um, anyway, the way we make a Roblox game is by stretching this, making like that. For now, we will make the floor plan for the building. For now, we're making specifically the underground section of the building. Duplicate. Move this to here. Uh, where's the it's supposed to snap like that. Okay, let me just duplicate, snapping. Okay, extend this like this. So this pathway will end specifically here. But there will be a branching off, which will be starting here. Okay, let me just one. Oh, okay. One stud is better. Oh, like that. So, oh, I have a duplicate here. That's for the rooms. Look, we're making it like this. So 8 studs, and it's gonna be here. Containment cells are gonna be all around. This one is gonna be a guard. So this here will have a wall, but this wall will stop here. Why? Now this has a reason behind it, and this reason is quite interesting. Uh, you see, we are a window in here, and without this, how? Okay, good enough. Duplicate. We cannot do that with one of these pieces. So we need to see how big our player is. R6 block avatar. So it's this tall, which means we make the window up here. Uh, Duplicate this. Okay, good enough. Scale this one up and like into this, so that oh, and this one into this, because we it's an odd value. Okay, not important. It's a very weird value. Okay, not important. Never mind. Okay, we duplicated this. Okay, we duplicated this. Yeah. Now we scale this one down. Um, 2 studs should be good enough. And now we 0.75 and apply another color called blue. Okay, this kind of glass is good enough. Duplicate. Okay. So we scale this one like that. This is what the wall is gonna look like. Now this glass cannot be broken. How we fix that is that's for later, actually. Is anyone watching? I can tell that. I think, yeah. Not. So we duplicate this here. You see, because this wall needs another wall. It needs a helper. It cannot block people itself. It needs another wall. And of course, we duplicate this one because why not? At this point, right? Why not? Now, here we can. What do we add? Of course. Wait a second. Classic brick. Oh no 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 no! Just classic brick. Okay. Move this back. That's fine. Moving these isn't that hard. It's not hard at all. In fact. And here we will have another door, which is for later again. But here we have this. Duplicate and use the clone for this. Now careful here, because we have to. Okay. Oh, this is the problem. Ah, anyway, misalignment problem, slight misalignment problem. Anyway, here we vending. And yeah, we wait. When we place. Yeah, this vending machine here. I hope the programmer here let's say, made those scripts quite nicely. Because if he didn't, that would be a slight disaster. Let's test it out. And he didn't. What's the problem? Oh, let me just try and test it. What's the problem? Coca-Cola is not a member of server story. Ah, okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Where's server storage? Where's server storage? Um.
Do you need this one? Do you need?
Don't just don't touch it, okay?
Okay.
Just don't go away right now. I'm streaming right now. Yeah. So Where's server storage? Okay, this should be easy. Hmm. Gosh. Blocks. How hilarious is that mistake? Coca-Cola. Oh, they called it part, and oh, that moved the vending machine. Okay, let's just place the vending machine here. Who called this part? Okay, let me watch. Parent connect function equal. Okay, that's written like that. So I have to. It's very case sensitive, by the way, if you didn't know. Name part Bloxy Cola. Now we place this one in server storage, which if and only if I activate and it works, then well, then we've got a Bloxy Cola. And I think it already starts working because the only error was because of. Okay. Okay. Walked right into that one. Duplicate script. Fake blocks. This one will. Oh, oh my goodness. Parent, parent. What? Oh my god. This script. Ooh. They didn't have it this many times. Like, what? I think. Okay. Three. Okay. That. At least that works. Okay. That tools. Never mind. Scripts. UI avatar. That's here. Let's try it again. And it's still not working. But at least it's not blue screening the entire game. Eh, let's try another one. Okay, we can just place a poster here. Um, maybe 21. Oh my goodness, that's so many scripts. I could do so much with those scripts. And of course, it's Snacks is not a valid member of workspace. Snacks. Server storage. Duplicate. Bloxicola. Snacks. What else? Drink. Clothes. I really hope this should work. I really hope. Okay, okay. Holders? What? Oh my goodness, that's. Oh, okay. Holder one. I can, I can, I can, I can, I can take care of that. That's. Uh, holder one. Okay. They rely on so many damn folders. Also, part. And now, what is that part? I'll just place it here. Um, transparency one. Uh, Holder one. Um, can collide, can query, can touch, anchor it, and try again. Click detector is not a valid. Uh, okay. Snack machine. They didn't even bother to add a click detector. What kind of programmers are they? But now it works. Oh, attempts to index nil with part 1. Oh my goodness. They tried to make the code ensure that this here doesn't exist. Oh my goodness. I don't even know how to fix that one. I'll have to ask the local. They didn't even add. Oh my goodness, this is unwieldy code. Local. You always gotta Look. Okay, no, wait. Here you don't have to add a local, because this one is referring to. Okay, and it's just like that. Okay, no, never mind. Just never mind. Of course, their code would be handled like that. They wrote the whole bit of code to be non. I mean, have they not heard of variables? Have ah, ah, anyway. Uh, maybe I just remove this because. Uh, yeah, it works until you unequate. At least
Go, go. This is. Oh, how did they
okay.
make this?
On A,
European dog.
unfold this two handles. Oh, it
Look,
fixed
look.
this. Okay,
How did they
never
make
mind.
something like that? Wait, huh?
Let me just.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'll thank the guy later. Because I think this should work. Hoping for the best. Yeah.
Is it empty at the end, you know?
And all that to have a cola. Now the trash can. No, I'm serious. We have to add a trash can. Yeah.
Well, if you're talking about money, it may disappear a lot of money, you know that, or not? Or is not news there? You don't know that money needed at war. No, but for defense. Yeah, no, but I know that, of course. But about the corruption scandal and you know that corruption is everywhere? I know for sure. Do you think that all money is stolen? Don't you think that none are used for war, for defense? No, I'm not saying that. So what
Yeah.
discreditation of Zelensky and discreditation of Ukraine, and it means that all Europe doesn't want to give money anymore. You can make fun. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about he made disappear a lot of money. And this was what about all over the news. Other countries? So what the hell? In this very moment, this is the
Yeah, anyway.
yes.
This vending machine at least works now. Um, now, okay. Title. Add an assistant. I think. Yeah, assistant. Let's add that for now. 'Cause- Yeah, yeah. Now it works. Does this trash can function? No, I think it just has. Yeah, it doesn't have a. Uh, I guess I'll just have to do something else, which will have the. Uh, oh, classic.
Everyone knows this money will never come back. That's not the point.
What trash can?
Russia will never pay. Like Germany never pay. But you know what? But because all European countries are afraid that if they will free that money, will do something to this country. What? They are afraid. What? That was the only reason. What it can do? What? It still can do anything to little Ukraine who doesn't have weapons. What can it do to any country?
Uh-huh.
They are afraid. That's
Uh, oh, okay, let's just proximity prompt. Mm, I forgot it works. Uh, but let's try adding a proximity prompt. Let's try. Um, okay, yeah, that's what I thought it is. Now we can change the prompt of the proximity prompt to word e whatever and we can, yeah, I'm ashamed of this, but oh my goodness, where is this scripts? Script parent. Now we need to add into this proximity prompt a script. Wait, script. Oh, parent Oh my goodness. Uh, okay, tap accept. Connect. Oh yeah. Uh, Let's add this to later. Um, wait, why print hello? Oh, okay, just remove this. Okay, how was I doing it before? Let me just try. Look at this script. Function play. Connect function. Like that. Game dot connect function player. Function player. Oh, wait, I think capitalized. Script. No, this one script. Ah, no, small. After that, I place like that. Okay. How does? Okay. Like ah. So that's what it wanted me to do. So like, like this function here. Okay. Local. Oh wait. No. 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 What? Uh. Enter. Local. Equal. No. It's a local. Invent equals um tool equals ah I can just okay this is exactly what I wanted, but control X destroy all, control V, but local to now equals player back back. If the I hope this should work. Um, back, back. Um, tools. Uh, just that. Here it lacks an end. Okay, end. What? And uh, okay, it lacked an end here. So now I can try if this works. Maybe I did it a bit weirdly. Player Hero. Yeah, I just did backpack. I don't have an inventory anymore. Oh no. Ah. Okay. Okay, I hope this work then like whole duration. Five? Like is it in seconds? Okay, five. This should work this time. And no, that's long, but it worked. Now we change this to trash. Trash item. Now we change this a bit. Changes this up a bit to have less blank space. Uh, wait, what if? Hear me out. Okay, yeah, this is way too long. Okay, it does nothing. I hoped it would crash or something. Not important. Now here we just take this. What? What does this even say? Let me expand this. Max activation distance. Whole duration. Okay, good enough. Whole duration 1, because I don't want it to be instant, but I don't want it to be very long either. I just wait. Let me just try. Yeah, yeah. Good enough. Huh. Anyway, yeah. We made one room so far. And now we can make a door. Yes, it's for now. Make this Gaussian lines. Uh, if I have a few free models, Gaussian lines. Gaussian lines. Like that. Yeah, we only need this. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that. Uh, yeah. Hell yeah. And yeah, that's good enough. Good enough. Um. Okay, we make a door now. Um. Okay. We take the material and we make it. Let's make it this. Scale. Because we gotta scale it up. Like, okay, that's good enough. We don't need this one to be like perfectly, Now duplicate and move to over there. This clone moves here. Wait, like that. Uh, decals, door. Uh, okay, those are funny. But I am not trying to be mimi or reference doors in any way. It's just we can make something. We can make something, and I know what I can do. I know what. Can these be disabled, enabled? Let me just disabled, enabled. Okay, so we will. Oh yeah, this should be a bit more difficult, but let me test that with decals. Okay, here material. We want neon. No, neon. We want neon. We don't want here neon color. Yeah, we can just make it gray or something. Now this big. Yeah, it should be this big. And now we can do some very funny shit with this. Cause add a little bit, then take this part and decal. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. 1, 0. Oh my goodness! I know what we will do. We will make a script that tweaks this off. Also. Shadow like that. Wait, can these not cast? Okay, that's funny. That's funny. That's okay. Let's turn it off on this one too, because that would be yeah. Anyway, yeah. We can just we just need a few more parts here and there, like here. We scale it a bit down. You see, because any good monitor has to have a rim of some kind. Here, the material of the rim will be rusty metal, but like it has to have some sort of rim. We can't just have the polarizers be absolutely active. Like we just can't. Oh my goodness. Um, Now we can do some shit like Mhm. material. Just apply the same material, bro. Just yeah, like that. We just wait. We just wait. Why is it okay like that? Just duplicate this one here. This one, move it to here. Take all of these ones and group as model. But then take this one and call this one, rename this one to screen door. And this one we rename to blast door. Um, my idea is look here. Um, look at this. My idea is this. Make this display every time the door is closed. And the door will be closed by pressing this button, which I will place here, which isn't here right now, but like that. By the way, I forgot to, yeah, canvas shadow, like that, like, okay, just canvas shadow, canvas shadow, canvas shadow, canvas shadow. Okay. Ooh. Thick safety glass. Where did it go? Scale this one down to one stud. And no, actually, we will remove this for now, because this is for players. This is not for NPCs of any kind, and we will place a little panel here. Finally, here. Oh, come on. Yeah, anyway. Let's paint this one red and this one green. Red, duplicate. Green. Green. Also can cast shadow. Can cast shadow. These are disabled in can cast shadow. By the way, the poster cannot cast shadows now. Um, few things can cast shadows. Anyway, we need to let's call it. Let's say, oi. Um, carpet. Like, okay, that's good enough, I guess. Like, okay. We just needed to rename it really. Closed door Open door one. Totally useless panel. Totally useless panel. Close door one and open door one. Anyway, we can add to these click detectors. Click detector and the click detector. Then we can use that script again to steal this. In fact, steal all of this. And add it into a script that's over here. And then like enter and clean this whole thing. Ouch, I got hit with some electricity. Basically, script parent store one. Let me test because I don't think that's how I called the door, and we have to have it named totally useless panel. Click detector, click detector, door. How's it called? Section one, selection one. Okay, selection one. Holders, part, brick, part, invisible brick. Oh my goodness. Let me see. Let me just see. Blast. Okay. Here we need to replace this with blast door. Tab. Oh no. Transparency equals tab. Tab. Wait, which one is this one? Script. Open. Okay. This is open door one. Closed door one doesn't have a script yet. Oh no. Just the removal of this. And then like control copy. Control paste. Oh my goodness. Code assist will save you time. Got in the way. Just let me try this script. Cancel. True 0. Oh wait, true. Yeah. And this should. And this isn't even my error. Oh, oh, fuck this. I got added to workplace snacks again? Where is snacks? Snacks, 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 snacks. Oh my goodness, bro. How did it disappear randomly? Ah, for script, for script, for script. Bloxicola. I just need a bloxicola. Bloxicola. Uh, this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is the same gear that I have to fix the script of. Bloxicola script. First shot. Oh, okay. If I take Bloxicola into snacks. Wait, snack. Maybe this will work. Maybe just like maybe. Ah, click detector isn't a valid member of click detector. What? Ah, I'm fucking stupid. Okay, let me explain what happened here. I parented the script to the click detector itself, so it's fine. It's fine. I can fix it. I can fix this. I can fucking fix this. And now I just have to parent script to this, like, and like to this, I guess. Then, then this should work. Should it should selection help local during Bloxicola is not valid. I already fucking let me check. Okay, let me check if it's just a fucking syntax error because that is out of hand slightly. That went out of hand slightly. Oh my goodness! Somebody added a space to the fucking name. This is a fucking syntax error now. This should work now. Okay, so the door. If I click on this, it should. Yeah. Look. Wait. Can I click on them through? Okay, I cannot click on them through glass. Good. That's good. That's supposed to happen. And now if I click on red, yeah, it's collidable. But now I have to edit some shit. Screen door. Mm, let me just say no transparency is it. So I just have to add some things to this. Um, uh, but here I have to remove most of this because of. Oh my goodness, just no. Um, screen. Mm, store surface surface GU. Just tab surface GUI tech decal or equals 1 and control copy, and here we just go equals 0. So if this goes like this, like that, then this should work now. Let's look at this. Let's open our door. Okay, I can just... Okay, plan B. Okay. Stop. Plan B. We just do this, which should just work this time. Let's look at this here right now. Right now, you see that screen is displaying this. But if we open the door, it's now just a white screen. Let's do some other shit, like make... Sorry. Ooh. Escape. Okay. Okay, that's much better. Make this only move to 0.1, and then just take this decal 0.1. Okay, wait, 0.11. Oh, no, 0.11. 3, 2. Okay, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2 is much better. 0.2 is much better. 0.2 is much better. Maybe 0.25. 0.25. Oh yeah, 0.25. It would be a nice one, I think. Let's try this. Yeah, that's good enough. It's a screen. It's supposed to be like that. Jesus. I just got struck with electricity. Anyway, it's how we make this. So now I know what to do. I know what to do now. But for that we need something more. This duplicated. And place this one, which is gonna be called kill break here. Um, able via other scripts, probably just like that. So like this should be slightly higher. So uh, okay. Um, okay. The fighting is fine. Whatever fighting is fine. Now we need to add this script. A game script tab. Now enabled. Crush. Now here, if it's closed, we also get game dot workspace dot um false control copy control paste, but here we true, and so uh, transparency 1. So this should make that in turn you can be crushed by the door. Let's open the door, stand here and close it, which would kill us. How to play sounds? Let's stop this. Stop. Like legit stop. Okay. Now here sounds door. Yeah, we're currently making like ooh, door Oh, here, metal door. Insert. Place it here into. For now, we will place it into. Where's Plasto? Plasto. Um, Also, if this one is pressed, let's do something. So, add an int value. No, pool. Pool value. Value. Mm, Open is open. Value. So, if we wanna do this, we can just make this. Where's the script that opens the door? On click. Ha. Huh? Oh my goodness. This is a bit weird, but closed uh, door open. Okay. So now game dot workspace dot totally useless panel dot close door one dot is open dot value equals true. Also false here. False. False. And now we should make this if tab game dot workspace dot last door dot is there like a sound like uh, metal door slam dot equals. Oh, tab play. Uh, say tab stop tab else. Yeah, like that. Then that's very good. A very good script right there. Because then we will be able to have a metal door slam. Let me just open it. And that doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Open. Okay, let me try again. Okay, then uh, like that. So what if now? Wait, oh, so like this is what we replace that one with. Let me just stop this and okay. So this one got replaced anyway. So we can test so that we can test. Okay, the sound didn't play. Why did the sound not play? Oh, you can type by how? Let me just test that. Oh, okay. I should probably shrink the crush area, the door crush area. Yeah. Okay. Need to disable this slightly to make it ever so slightly smaller. Um. Uh. Okay. No, we can turn it on. We can turn it back on. It's not like not that kind of like we could. Oh no. Just okay. Let me just size. One. we will scale this a bit, but that will be our little secret. Now we can just disable this. Disable this from one stud, and then like that, and that should be good enough, I think. Please. Yeah. Let's look at this. Hell yeah, bro, got the cola. The Bloxy cola. Bro, got the Bloxy cola. Wait, wait. Okay, this one is also anchored. Okay. Is this anchored? Oh my goodness, it should be. Is all of this anchored? Okay, it should be anchored and anchored. Okay, anchored. Whew. That'll be our little secret. Well, the metal door slam didn't work for some reason. Чого? Так ти можеш по телевізору дивитися, поки я цей. Я цей. Okay, the stream is ending.